We finally win against Green Bay.
We did
Listen
it,
to my
girl.
mama.
We did it. It's in 2018.
My
We
mama and
did
my
it, though.
auntie.
We beat Green Bay.
Finally. Somehow, still made it to the gym with this freaking snow out of nowhere. Just waiting on my sis so we can go hit the weights. We just did 15 minutes cardio. We're about to do like 15 minutes weights only because we're trying to get home before the snow really get bad. So, and it's late. It's already 6:30. And I still gotta go home and cook. So, I'll see y'all later. I'm sorry, y'all. I did not update y'all, but I had to go get fingerprints today. And now I'm at Walmart because I need to get earmuffs for the gun range and goggles for the gun range. And I don't know why she grabbing a cart. These earmuffs and goggles are everywhere but not where they need to be. They even gave me 3 locations and I don't see them. But there's a lot of stuff I didn't update you guys on, like how my license, I'm ineligible at the moment to get my license because I gotta go through it. Then apply for Illinois license. The sun is really beaming, but maybe. Okay, that worked. But I just got to the library, got my bag, period, my Hufflepuff bag from New York. I am about to read a book. I have a new book, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all when I get in the library the book. But I have a new book, and I brought my iPad just in case I do edit. And then after I leave here, our gym opens back up at 1:30. It's 12:23, so I'm probably gonna be here till about 2, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. And since I wore Converse, I'm doing weights today, so that's that. So I will see y'all when I get inside the library. So this is the book that I am reading. It is by Stephanie E. Jones Rogers. And so, yes, I thought I was going to finish the other one. I had to come to this one. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. We are on our way to the gun range. We just gonna have fun. So yeah, I will see y'all when I get there though. So we just made it to Range USA. So yeah, we're here. Oh, hey. But okay, we'll be going in because I think it's starts at 11 and it's 10:56. Oh, it's 11:30 now. Never mind. I just got some news. I'll see y'all later. I'm sorry, y'all. The footage is horrible right now. I was asking you. Yeah. That's so loud. Hey. Oh. So loud. This is a lot.
You said what?
This is a lot. It was so loud.
I feel the same way. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
Even my hair. So disregard the hair, y'all. I just had to, you know, you got to make sure the eye protection is on. And you didn't even need goggles, y'all. I bought goggles for no reason. I use my glasses. But y'all got the mic on. I'm going to show you what's setting up. How are y'all feeling?
I'm a little nervous. I got it.
Okay. When she walked in, it was like, whoa. She put the target practice thingy up. These are the times, so everybody gets an hour. I really hope y'all can hear me. It is very loud. The bullets are loud, baby. We finna see if we like this. So let's just on it. We finna have some fun. And I didn't even show y'all, but he hit right in the target. Right after I finished, he hit right in the target. So let's see. Oh yeah, I know y'all see it. That one right there. Period. And now my sister. Woo! How was it?
Baby,
Talking to the mic. I saw you. Baby, that was something. Y'all really disregard. It don't look like this, but whew, that was some pushback on that gun. We were shooting with a 9mm. What's the other one we got? The other one is a rental, so I can't really tell you exactly what it is, but whew, y'all.
Which one do you want? Which circle?
Top right. All right, he's going for the middle right. And he pushed it so far back. Y'all see where we're shooting at. All right. Oh, he did good. He shot. You went for the one that I voted for. I went for top right.
Yeah, I was doing top right.
He got all top right. That's pretty fucking good. Cute. So I hit on the left side in the blue. My sister hit on the red on the right side. Period. Oh, she hit the red again.
I wasn't aiming. I was aiming for the second hole.
Oh, she was aiming for the second. But you were closer. You knew to go down. Oh, now we liking the gun range now. Okay. I want to give y'all an update. We are friends at the gun range now. We are vibing.
Get the bottom circle.
Hold on, say that again.
That's all me right there.
From her.
Almost said
Shooter. Now we over here just looking. She talking about my mama will love this one. It's the purple. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me. I took my microphone off.
It's the old westerns you talking about.
These hoes $1,500.
Look how long that barrel
I don't even
is.
see myself shooting that mug.
You had to go like this. These are what you need to do.
I'm going with the baby. This one they play Russian roulette with. Yeah. Oh, I see them now. There we go. The little chambers. Ain't that what you call it? A chamber? Girl, these things. I'm not gonna lie, I had fun with them. Well, this one on Cassie. There is a clearance section. Look at the red tickets. The red tickets. There's some more over there.
No accessories.
Oh, see this. So y'all, we are out. What would you rate it?
I say it's a 10. I had a ball.
I would rate it a 10 too. It makes me want to go get the membership. He was telling us like, yeah, it's cheaper to just get the membership. Bitch, I might have to go get that membership. But it would be me and her because the visitor is able to come, so we would just do the 2-for-1 deal. And I could definitely see myself doing it again. We're about to go to Hooters. All of us, we just finished up. Everybody, we had an hour. But I could definitely do that again. Shit, did we even need the GPS? It was right here. It's a mango mojito mocktail. It's definitely a 9.5. If it had a shot of tequila, it would make it a 10. But the presentation, everything, it looked so good. And my sister got the same. She just didn't mix hers, but yes. So the other day, I ordered my all-weather mats, and I got the ones that, rise up on the sides. So I'll be removing the carpet ones and putting these in. I just did my back seat. So that's the after. I didn't show you the before. But yeah. Sorry for the horrible lighting, but they're in. They were really easy to remove. This is the only one I had to actually take out because of the 2 little sockets. So that's sitting in my trunk. But yeah, my all-weather mats. And then on this side, you can't really see it, but they're in.